Hey, good morning, folks. I'm gonna deal with some off-grid plumbing issues right now. We've got a half-inch PEX feeding the whole compound, and I want to put a larger PEX fitting to it so we can get a better water flow. And I'll show you a little bit of how this is all set up and how we're gonna go about it. Moving into the bathroom is our Sunmar 2000 composting toilet, shower stall off here, and here's our off-grid system. It's got a bunch of holding tanks for water capacity, about 20 gallons. This is what we're going to change today. Is convert that from half-inch to a 3/4 inch PEX. Again, better water flow. There's a little bit of a kink right there. Run another line that'll run up to the pond house when we build that in the summertime. So